Welcome. In front of me is OPPO A5m, and in this video I will show you how to improve battery life on this phone. So first open the settings, and the first settings that we can change is in display and brightness. Switch your device to the dark mode if you're comfortable with it, as it uses less energy and it drains your battery less. But if you're more comfortable with the light mode, you can keep with it. Alternatively, you can use iComfort mode by entering iComfort mode and switching this toggle to the right. You can also set a schedule for it right here, and you can even use black and white display if you like it more. It also uses a lot less energy. Now the next thing is reducing the auto screen off. In my case, it's already the minimal value, which is 15 seconds. But if your is more, then reducing the auto screen off setting will also reduce your battery aging. Now the next thing is located in the sounds and vibration settings. Scroll down, and in more sounds, disable all of these options, as sounds for all of these options also increase your battery aging. And in haptics, disable system haptics. And if you go to the battery section and open the battery health tab, you can enable either smart changing or charging limits. You can select whichever you like the most. Both of these options also slow down your battery aging. And the last thing that you should check is battery usage by app. Find the apps that use up the most of your battery, and you can you can set the limit for background activity for these applications by going into power saving settings, going to app battery management options, select the application that you want to for which you want to limit the background activity, and select this option. Click OK, and that's basically it. And that's all the advice I wanted to share with you. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.